Hello friends, today in this video I will show how to fix clipboard history not working or not showing in Windows 11. So there are some methods. First one, open Task Manager. In Process tab, find out Windows Explorer. Right click on it, Windows Explorer, and restart. Second method, open Windows Settings. Click on Accessibility. Click on System in left hand list. Here click on Clipboard. Turn on Clipboard History. Save multiple items to your clipboard. Press the Windows key plus V to view your clipboard history and paste from it. Also guys, you can turn on sync across your devices. Paste text from your PC to supported devices. Turn on automatically sync text that I copy. Now close it. So this is the two method you can try. Hopefully any method work for you. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe and comment this method work for you or not.